I don't know what happened.
Come on!
It was running. The gas gauge don't work. It was working fine.
Water and fuel.
Is that what it says?
Yeah.
Where does it say that?
Go. Right here. Wait to start. No, it says water and fuel.
Uh-oh, I think he's giving up on it. He might have to tow us back. Don't turn it off. Uh-oh, I can't believe it died. It was working fine. Oh, I told you we don't have any more videos today. Oh, really?
What's wrong with it?
I don't know. The one thing it doesn't like is cold weather. Fuck!
So what do we have to do?
It's going to be too dark by the time we get this thing going to make any more videos. Why did it start? There must be some water in the gas tank. But as soon as we tilt it, all of a sudden it starts going blah, 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 and running like really bad. And the Curtis took off.
What should we do?
We're going to have to walk. One more try, but we'll have to tell him to tow us back. Okay, let's walk.
We've already walked.
Just leave the cameras in here. We'll. Oh God, we got to walk back. It died. It's so fucking windy and cold. Look at the wheel. Get walking. It's raining hard too.